What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 31 of the Chris Say 100K Challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's Friday, July 30th. Hope everybody had a phenomenal week. And before we get into it, you know how we do it. If you want to help yourself out to 2 free stocks, click the link down below in the description and sign up for Webull today. But without further ado, let's go and dive into my tracker. All right, guys, here we are inside my tracker. Another flat week in the books. I went down just a little bit. I think I went down about 150 bucks, 125 or so. And we'll dive into my app here in a second just to confirm. But I did not buy any more plays this week. I was kind of like laying low just to see how the market reacted this week. Purely just on different, like hearing rumors in the news with AMC and everything else. I just really wanted to see plans on tanking in the next 1 or 2 weeks. So I'm keeping my eye on it. If you guys are in AMC, let me know down below. What do you think the stock will do? For the most part, I think everybody's going to stay put. All the retail sellers are, but you just never know. But yeah, so going back to my portfolio, I did not add anything else. I was just kicking back, watching my options, see how they did. And let's see, going to my transactions. Again, I did not buy anything this week. Options, I did not buy any more options this week as well. Deposits, I did not deposit anything either. So kicking my feet up, just again trying to see what the market does before I buy more stocks, because I don't want to buy a falling knife. Things are really sporadic right now, and I'm trying to figure out where my buying opportunities and when I should get in, when I should get out. Right now, I'm really hoping that Tattooed Chef really takes off here in the next 4 to 6 weeks. Really, I hope all my plays take off in the next 4 to 6 weeks. And then I can really consolidate my plays after that. And then from that point on, put on my trailing stop loss. Because before, as you guys already know, I didn't do that. I didn't even know to do that because if you're new to the series, I've always been investing in Roth IRAs, HSAs, 401ks, that type of thing, but never individual stocks like I'm doing now. So it's definitely a learning experience, but I'm learning literally every single day something new doing this journey. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and go into my app and dive a little bit deeper. All right, guys, here we are inside my app. Your boy is currently sitting at $10,619.95 for the week. Yeah, I'm down, like I said before, I'm down about like 179 or so. For the week, buying power is at 797.20. Again, I did not put anything in here, and I'll confirm with you here in a second when we dive into my account. Let's see. For my plays for the week, F point for the week, down about 8%. Average cost is sitting at $14.40. Total return still down about 27%. AMC for the week, down a little bit above 3%. Total return, I'm down about 7% with the average cost of $40.03. Future FinTech, not too good this week, down almost 7.5%. Total return down about over 40%. Average cost is $4.03. Tattooed Chef for the week, up a little bit over 2.3%. Total return down about 21%. The average cost of $24.80. Now we have GNOG up about over 2% for the week. Total return down 27.82% with the average cost of $15.88. Coinbase about flat for the week, total return almost about 6% with the average cost of $227.25 in this play. Workhorse actually did pretty decent for the week, a little bit above 7%. Total return down almost 48% in this play with the average cost of $21.92. Hyliion up above 4.24%. Total return down 44.36%. Average cost $17.45. See, for the week, Apple was down 1.56%. Total return still almost 15%. Average cost at $126.96. Then we have my 2 dividend plays. Crestwood Equity almost 2%. Total return at 68.76% with an average cost of 17.26. And then we have Innovative Industrial Properties for the week. It's about flat, but total return above 475%. Average cost is 37.38 on this play. IGC, I think it actually did pretty bad this week, but this is my option play that I have. Total return down 91%, and then my workhorse option, I'm down 39.53%, and both these expire on 8/20, so I have a little bit of time left, but time is running out for sure. But now we're gonna dive into my account. All right, so here you can see my completed transfers. The last one I did was July 12th at 6:50. So again, guys, just showing you everything, a peek under the tent. But that's all I have for the video, guys. If you made this far in the video, give your boy the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.